So guys, if you want to know how I make this fish stew, come along with me. Okay guys. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Lady P.Naija TV. So guys, in today's recipe, we are going to be making a quick fish stew. Okay guys, to make everything short, I have my tomatoes in here. So guys, inside these tomatoes, I have my red bell pepper. Also, I have my fresh tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, onions. I blended everything together. I also steam it. So this is what I will be using. So this is my extra virgin oil I will be using too. So in here, I have my chopped onions. So guys, here I have my thyme, curry. Also, I have my salt, ginger powder, garlic powder. This is my two seasonings I'll be using. So guys, this is my two fish, mackerel fish I will be using. You can also use another fish of your choice, but I will be using two mackerel fish. So stay tuned guys and watch me. So I'm cutting the fish now. I'm sorry, I'm going to throw the head. I don't like it. So guys, I'm going to fry the fish first before I steam the tomatoes. I mean before I fry it. Okay guys, now that I finished frying my fish, it's time for me to fry the tomatoes. Okay guys, first I will add my olive oil. Okay, now I will be adding my onions. Just add my onions. Okay, now I will be adding my tomatoes. Okay guys, I just added my tomatoes. Now I'm going to stir it before I put the ingredients, maggi, thyme, curry. So this is curry and thyme. Also in here I have my salt, salt to taste, ginger, garlic. Okay, now I will be adding my two seasonings. Okay guys, so now I'm going to cover it to cook very well. Okay guys, so I'm going to leave it to cook for like 15 minutes before I off my gas. Okay guys, so guys, let's check on the stew. I told you it's a quick one. So now I will be adding my fish. Wow, so this is the stew guys. Now I will be adding my fish. So I just add the fish before I turn it. So guys, this is the outcome. I'm done. I told you it's a quick one guys, so it's very tasty, trust me. Okay, look at the fish. Wow. Okay guys, thanks for watching guys. Please, if you have not subscribed for your girl, please do. Okay guys, I love you all. Like my video guys, also turn the bell notification so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Okay guys, bye. Food is ready guys. So guys, this is how I am going to be enjoying my fish stew. Okay guys, or what do you think? It looks so inviting guys. I can't wait to grab it. Mm? Mm. Thanks for watching guys. I love you all. Bye.